Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Today I'm showing you a continuation of the video I showed you the last time. The last time I showed you a 4-bedroom detached duplex in Ologolo. So right now I'm going to be showing you a semi-detached duplex right here in Ologolo Lekki Phase 2. So if this is what you like to see, sit, relax, and enjoy this video. And please do me a favor, watch it to the end and share to as many people as possible. Thank you. This is a 4-bedroom semi-detached house in a very secure estate in Ologolo. You must be cleared at the estate gate by your host before you are granted access. This is the driveway. It's exclusive to this property. Let's see what makes this semi-detached special as well. Beautiful lights under the building. That is the detached house I showed you in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. This is your parking lot all the way to the gate. Security lights on the fence. The gate is also automated. Water tank. The main entrance is right here. Let's go in. Nice hallway. The white and black stands out. A turn left takes us to the guest room. It has its own bathroom as well. The floor has a really good shine to it. This is the visitors' restroom. We are going across. This is where we came in from. This is a smaller living room here. The main living room is upstairs. Let's go. This is big and spacious. The POP, the lights. Your main living room here on the first floor. On this floor, you also have your kitchen. Oh wow, I like this one. I love the concept. It also comes fitted, just like the detached one we saw. Look at the wooden floor. The kitchen is quite spacious. You have your oven, microwave, burner, extractor, cabinet, pantry, rack. The kitchen is well lit. Storage space. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this house, and take a moment to click on the thumbs up icon for me. It really helps. Thank you. This is the second room we're seeing in this house. The bathroom, up we go. This house has 2 floors. The second floor. Madame's room, and the third room was seen. This is the closet area. The rooms in this house are big. These days, developers mine a lot of space, so you're definitely getting some value for your money. This is the bathroom. Water heater. You have a box room here, and it's high up. And here it is, the master's bedroom. The walk-in closet, just as you enter the room on the right. Nice. I like how this black stands out on the white. Classy. It's a big 4-bedroom semi-detached house. This is the bathroom. All rooms are en suite. The view from the balcony. Please take a moment to click on the thumbs up icon as your way of support for me. Just a quick look at the property as we leave the house. If you had to pick between this semi-detached and the detached in my previous video, please let me know in the comment section which you would go for. If you haven't seen the previous video on the 4-bedroom detached property and a little bit on Ologolo, please check it out. It's going to be linked in the description and at the end of this video. This is an exit from the kitchen. Demarcating fence. One room BQ attached. This is a 4-bedroom semi-detached house in Ologolo. The asking price is 140 million naira. The other semi-detached unit is also available. So you have 2 units of semi-detached available. All others have been sold. So please reach out to me fast via the number on your screen if you're interested in getting this property. This area is about 6.6 kilometers from Lekki Phase 1 and 13 kilometers to Victoria Island. So take advantage of it. It's really close and selling out fast. I was also briefed that this property was done in a way that it drains properly if there's a downpour. Please, before signing out, give this video a like. Help me share with someone that might be interested in getting this property. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Bye and see you in my next one. Click here to watch the next video.